Okay, question 2 is a standard question on the R alpha method. Look, it's worth 10 marks, which is well over a grade, so you need to get your head around this kind of question. The first 3 marks are for using the method in your notes for finding the values of R and alpha, given that it's cos x plus 3 sin x. And it's helped by telling us that alpha is in the range 0 to pi by 2, so we're going to be able to find alpha by doing a simple inverse tan of a positive number to get an acute angle, and we don't have to worry about the alpha bit. Hence it's only worth 3 marks. Having put this into this form, we're now going to use it in 2 different ways. The first time we're going to find the minimum value of this, but of course you're going to use the r cos x minus alpha form. Now if the r wasn't there, you'd have cos of a bracket that varies between 2 values, which you can visualize on a cos graph. If you multiply it by r, then it will vary between r times those 2 maximum and minimum values of cos. So you should be able to write down for 1 mark the minimum value of r times the cos of the bracket. And then in the next bit, we've got to decide the value of x where the minimum occurs. So you want cos of the bracket to equal its extreme value, so you need to either just visualize a cos graph or do an inverse cos to find out what you want x minus alpha to equal. Make x the subject, solve for x, and if you end up outside the range 0 to 2 pi, then as usual you just add or subtract 2 pi from your answer to find the given one. And then on part C, solving this equals 2, you go back to r times cos of x minus alpha equals 2. Of course you'll have numbers for the r and the alpha, so you'll say that cos of x minus alpha equals 2 divided by r, so some known number there, and then you'll be able to inverse cos to get x minus alpha equals first value, and of course you can use cast diagram or your favourite other method to get another value for x minus alpha, and then add alpha to each of them, and if they're outside the range 0 to 2 pi, then adjust by 2 pi. As I say, you've got ones like this in your notes, so study those, study worked examples until this particular question is just simply routine.